Hello everyone, welcome to the Newline Experience Center. My name is Mayank and I am the National Product Trainer at Newline India. Thank you for joining us today for the demo of our hassle-free smart interactive display for classroom, the Atlas. In today's scenario, the education sector is looking for innovative approaches for learning and teaching. The smart classrooms should have more collaborative functions which are intuitive and are easy to use without any system limitations. When COVID-19 began to shut down the in-learning experience, Newline helped to craft a strategy for return to the classroom that would be an easy transition for the teachers, in-room students and remote students. And hence, we have the newly launched Atlas, which adds power to the classroom. Now let's talk about the main features of Atlas. The Atlas is a 4K touch interactive display with a brand new UI design. This particular display has got the industry's latest Android 8 with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Also, while I was talking about adding power to the classroom, this particular display has got an inbuilt microphone for easy collaboration and intuitive learning experience. Also, this display has got object recognition for easy and user-friendly experience. Then we have some wireless casting capabilities which comes in a host of applications with this particular display. Also, not to forget, this display is totally compatible with different operating systems like Android, Windows and Mac. Now let's talk about the main features of Atlas. The Atlas is a 4K touch interactive display with a brand new user interface design. This display comes in 65-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch. Now this display has got a built-in microphone for intuitive and learning experience, wherein students can interact. Now let's talk about the main features of the Atlas. The Atlas is a 4K touch interactive display with a host of applications. Now this display has got a brand new user interface design. Also, this is a dual operating system based and has got Android built in, which is the latest in the industry with Android 8 and 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage. Now this display has got a built-in microphone for in-learning capabilities. Likewise, I mentioned for in-learning comprehensive experience, this display has got a built-in microphone. The next great feature is the object recognition and multi-touch, which gives exposure to a collaborative environment. And not to forget, this display comes with a host of applications for wireless connectivity and interactivity. Also, this display comes in the sizes of 65-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch. Now talking about the hardware highlights of the Atlas. The Atlas has got a slim frame design and provides the IR touch for smooth writing experience. Also, this display has got an OPS slot available at the back, which provides the Windows functionality and enriching experience. Then we have a built-in microphone, likewise I mentioned, for the in-learning comprehensive experience. Then we have a diverse input-output connectivity for the devices. Also, not to forget, we have the blue light filter for the smart eye protection, which gives a better experience to the users. As I mentioned that the Atlas has got object recognition and multi-touch functionality. So the display can actually differentiate between the palm, fingers and the pen. So it gives you the different outputs based on the presets that the user has provided. And with the multi-touch functionality, the display gives you a highly responsive and lag-free experience. The Atlas comes with a host of applications. The first in line is the Newline Cast. Newline Cast lets you share the screen of your devices to the display. Now this is very much useful at the time of presentations wherein you also want to share some videos, links or files. Now this application is totally cloud-based application and runs on the internet. So you can also remotely connect your devices and take the sessions ahead. Also, this particular application is compatible with all the devices which are available in the market like Android, Windows or the Apple devices. The next in line is our Newline Broadcast. Now, as we can understand from the term broadcast, So the Newline broadcast lets the display screen to be shared amongst the audience. Now this is totally on the internet based. So all the devices has to be connected on the internet, and whatever you are doing on the display will be broadcast to all the people who are connected with this. The last but not the least, Newline Display Management. Newline Display Management is a cloud-based web portal which allows the IT administrator to control and manage all the Newline displays from a central location. From the web portal, the IT administrator can manage and deploy applications to the system, can configure display settings and provide remote assistance whenever needed. Also, the IT administrator can send a mass notification to all the displays or a selected group of displays. Also, the IT administrator can put the display to use as a digital signage. Now, to experience our newly launched Atlas, you can get in touch with us in the live chat. Thank you so much for being with us.